Good morning, friends. Welcome to today's topic, writing console output, which is part two. In the part one, we just focused on how to display text on the monitor. But in this session, I want to extend that same topic, how to display text as well as the values that are part of the variables. First of all, I like to thank the viewers who are encouraging me to do the videos. Uh, and hope the same thing for the further video. So myself, I am Srikanth, associate professor is department in Pullareddy Engineering College, Karnool, and you can also contact me at kapsc.srikanth@gmail.com or srikanth.ecs@gmail.com. So hope you are all enjoying the videos. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to the channel, give likes, you comments, the comment section you mention the videos that you're expecting from me, uh, and share it to your friends, so that I can make more videos as you Java programming now. So without any delay, let us start today's session, so where we like to focus on writing console output, part 2 session. In part 1, we have discussed the content. Our intention is to connect with standard output device, that is monitor. For that, we have two methods. One is print and println. We also come to know that displays the output and the cursor is waiting in the same line. And println, after displaying the output, the cursor comes to the next. Great. So to use these two methods, we have given a class called system. And the system class, it is available in a package called java.lang. So to work with print and println, it is mandatory to include import statement, import java.lang system, semicolon. And we need to work with a stream called system.out to connect with print and println method. And these are the two syntaxes that we have discussed part one video, where we are working only with text within double quote. So I extend, I like to extend the same. Right? So we need to know some more syntaxes. The following syntaxes are used to display text and values of variable. So value part of variable using print, println. Great. Uh, just I put the syntaxes. We have different types of syntaxes. Want to introduce one by one. So first we go with one syntax, system dot out print. Uh, so we can have text within double quote. So after the text, if you need a value which is there in the variable, then you need to go with a plus operator, which is a concatenation operator in Java language. So where we can concatenate text and the value that is there in the variable. Right? So we can put variable. This is one syntax. So we can have one more syntax, system dot out dot system dot out dot print. Instead of first text, so we can have variable name place within double quote text. Here also I want to connect or combine text and variable, but the change is first I need value, then the text, right? Or we can have the situation so where can have text variable. Immediately I want again text. Let's go with plus operator within double quote text. If you need again a variable, we can have. close the parenthesis, end with semicolon. Right. Uh, I like to introduce one more syntax. So where we have system dot out dot print. First we go with a variable name plus text. Again, I need again in text. Go with plus operator, and in double quotes you write the text, close the parenthesis, and so these are the four syntaxes that are really useful when you are displaying your results on the monitor. I just copy the four syntaxes uh, which are same for your println state. Right? So instead of print, put println, which makes the cursor to come to next line. That is the only difference. All they are same as print. So println is used whenever you want your cursor to come to next. Great. So these are the syntaxes that we use to work with variables and text. So let us take an example to understand those syntax. I want to perform product of two integers, right? So then I need some variables with some values. I go with x equal to 5, y equal to 2. I need a variable result, right? So this is the variable declaration where I have taken three variables. One variable is having x as having 5, y is having 2, and we need to find result, right? So the result, it is product of two numbers. So our focus is to try and find product of two numbers. So for that, your result it becomes x into y. X into y, it calculates 5 into 2, that is 10, and it is given to a variable called result using an assignment operator called equal to. Great. Then I want to display the result to the monitor now. So the product result. So for that we can display the result in various ways. Let us go with the simplest way. I will go with text. So the result, it is product, text is completed. Now I need the value as output that is there in result. Go with plus operator, the concatenation operator, and the variable name, it is result, right, which has a value 10, right? So in the monitor, so the output, it looks like in this way, right? Output, it is product colon some space and display 10. Or you can write your system dot out dot print ln. I want to go print ln. So I want to display the first integer or number, right? So first integer, it is a text within double quotes, and the first integer, it is there in x plus x, right? Then with one more println statement where I want to display the second integer which is there in one. Then I like to have the product result n, right? Plus it is the variable result, right? So for this you get the output in the following format. The output, it looks like first integer, the value it prints is 5, right? Second line, get second integer, the value of y is 2. So then in the third line, get product is 10. So this is one way of displaying the output. In the Well, we take one more way, right? So system dot out dot println. I want to mix all the things in a single statement. So I want to write product of some space double quotes, right? Now I need the first value, that is x, right? So here I want to connect again with text. Open the double quote, right? I need a space, the product of x and with some space, right? I want to display the second value that is there in y. Again I need text, right? Go with plus operator, open the double quote, and we need a text called is. Here we need space, right? So C is colon with some space, right? So here I need the result, right? Close the parenthesis, semicolon. uh, when you see the output, uh, it looks like in format. It is product of x value is 5, some space, and with some space. Y value it is 2, right? Is colon space, the result it is 10. Right? This is what we need to understand, right? To use print and println statement to say the program outputs. Hope you are all able to understand syntaxes here with text and variable, text, text variable, text text, right? So for print, I have taken a small example of product of two numbers where taken three variables. X is having 5, y is having 2. Result we need to calculate. Then it showed in result. So I can display the output in different formats. First format, put the text full, right? So the output it looks like product 10. I want to display in 3 lines, the output in 3 lines, the first integer, the second integer, product, and so variables connected here. Yes, operate. And the output you can see first integer 5, and we can combine all the things in a single line. So where we have gone with the text full with operator connected, text full, a text double quote, right? So here you can see the 2 plus operator where we have text connected, right? And the result it looks like product of 5 and 10. That's it. So this is our all about the syntaxes with an example. Now we take a Java program, right? Uh, an example to understand the basic structure, scanner, and the println statement in depth. So we start a Java program. We write a comment. The basic structure of Java program starts with a comment. I am going with single line comment, and the intention of the program is to write a Java program to perform product of product of two date. After having a comment, right? So the next step is to import Java packages that you need. Package, say the built-in package there, built-in. So for this program, I need two built-in packages. One is java.system. Second one, import dot util dot scanner. Right. In the next step in the basic structure of Java program, to write a class with some class name. I go with console output 1, right? And we also know the convention that we need to start with uppercase letter for a class name. It is a convention, right? So open the flower brace. So within the class we need method, and the keywords we need to use public static void, then write main, and the main has parameter string array, string square bracket. Great. So after that, in the basic structure, we can have local variables. Yes, I need local variables, three local variables, one x and the result. So there is case of any object creation, because we need to create object for scanner object, right? So object sc for scanner class. It is good to write comments, right? So to understand the program, good practice, so that every line is in your hand. I want to create object, use the class name. The object name is sc equal to new, allocates memory in heap at runtime, and the class name scanner, and the parameter we need from dot in, end with semicolon, right? So the object is created. Then I want to read inputs now, right? So read inputs for x, y. So for that, I go with system dot out dot print statement to ask the user to enter first integer, first. Close the double quotes. So here, so in we have a method called nextInt, right? So nextInt can be called by using object, that is dot nextInt. It reads an integer. So the integer, the red integer, it to be given to a variable, right? So for that, x equal to xc dot nextInt. The sc dot nextInt, it reads an integer that is given to a variable called x. Then I want to ask second integer, enter second integer, right? The second variable, it is y equal to c dot is a object. The method is nextInt, right? So we need to call nextInt method using object scanner, that is sc. Job done, right? So we have read the values for x and y. So now we need to write the logic, right? So logic to perform product of x and y. So the logic is, the logic, it is x into y, right? But the result, the x into y value, I need to store it in result. For that, I need to write result equal to x into, right? So first x into y is evaluated, the value is returned to result by using an assignment operator called equal to. Great. Now the result, it is having the x into y value, right? The logic is completed, and the last step is to output the result to the monitor. Output the program result to the monitor. So for that, I need to use system dot out dot print ln n, right? So I want to put text product of, close the text is completed, right? I need to put the first value here, that is there in variable called x. Still I want to continue with text, go with plus operator and open the double quote, space and space, double quote, close. Now I need the second value that is there in y. Still I want to continue, go with place, right? Open the double quote, right? I need space is colon, a single space with double quote closed, right? And here I need the value of result, right? Close the parenthesis, end with zero. That's it, right? So we write a line of code that is sc dot close, right? So close is a predefined method that is part of scanner, as we have open the scanner, it is mandatory to close it, otherwise it becomes a warning. Let's say C is the object of scanner and the close is the method. Here we have opened the scanner, new scanner of system.in. It is opened, and it is better to close it, right? Still, without writing this statement, you can get your results, but it is suggested to close the scanner at the end of your logic, right? So this is the way of writing a program, right? So indentation is also a very important factor to write a program, and people look at the way you are writing the. After the flower brace, it is better to give a tab, right? So if you get one more flower, open flower brace, give two tabs, right? So where the entire code is present within the flower brace, and you can see the open flower braces and closed flower braces exactly opposite to it, and you can overcome the missing flower braces error, as most of the students struggling with the error called missing brace. I just followed the structure of Java program, where I have started with comment. I have included the packages using import statement in a class with some class name, include put the syntax that is static, taken some local variables x, y, and result of type integer, created object for scanner. T is the object, new is the keyword to allocate memory, heap, and scanner is the class which needs a parameter, right? So to read inputs, better you ask a text what the wants to do. So you want to enter a first integer, the entered value is taken by sc.next, which is given to a variable. I am asking the second integer read through sc.next, and which is given to. After that, I have performed a logic result equal to x into y, x into y result equal result. And at last, I displayed the output to the monitor using product of x and y is. After that, I have closed it. The scanner is closed. That's it. Program is completed. Now save the program files as. I am working in C drive and folder called Java. So better you copy the class name, or the file name and class name to be the same when you are working the notepad. Right? So I just copy the file name as the class name and give the extension as .java and click the button create. So the file name, it is console output one.java, and you go to the directory C drive Java. You can see the console output one Java file is. Now the job is to compile and execute the program. For that, I just open the command, type command. Uh, it is open. So you are in the path users and my PC. I want to come to the C drive by using a command called cd slash. I come to the home directory C drive. So within the C drive, I want to work in a folder called Java. For that, I am going to a command called cd, which is change the directory. Before that, you can check the directories that are part of C drive. So using here, you can folder called Java, right? So I want to jump to Java, right? So for that, I use a command cd space Java. Great. So you are now in Java, right? So you can use dir to check the file, and you can see your file is up. Console output one.java. I want to clear the screen. Go with a command called cls, which clears your screen. So now I want to compile my program. The console output one dot java using the command java. The console output one dot java. It gives compile time errors. Otherwise, it gives a immediate prompt. So there are no errors. I just got the prompt. It means there are no errors. Now I can run my program, right? So one more thing. So whenever you compile your program, you can see one file is automatically generated that is called class file. In Java's magic video, we come to know that after compilation of Java source code, we have bytecode, intermediate code, so which is makes the Java platform. And you can see physically the class file is generated after compilation Java source code. Go to the command prompt. Now you execute your program in Java command and the class name. No need of .java here. So to execute, just you write Java is the file name or class and press enter key. Great, it is asking for first integer. I give 10. It is asking for second integer 5, and the result is product of 10 and 50. That's it. That's a great. Have completed one more Java program, perform product of two integers, where I have included the package, have into the object creation of scanner class, how to read it from the keyboard and the logic, and how to display the output to the monitor. So it is the basic how the Java programs look like. Our variables local. We create objects for the predefined classes, goods, perform the logic, and we hope you all enjoyed the videos. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, mention the video you are expecting, share the video to your circle and learn the Java programming language. Is most to get placed for a. Thank you for your patience learning. One more. Thank you for.